Dear students, you are welcome to Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is about sign numbers part 2. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to click the bell to stay notified. In this video, you will learn how to add two positive sign numbers, how to add two negative sign numbers, how to subtract two sign numbers, and how to add positive and negative sign numbers on a series. Addition of two positive signed numbers. To calculate the sum of two positive signed numbers, like plus 4 plus 6, so here we have two positive signed numbers, plus 4 and plus 6, and we want to add both of them. So we need to put the sign plus first. Second, we only need to add the two numbers, 4 and 6. 4 plus 6 equal 10. So the final answer will be equal to plus 10. Let's solve this exercise. Calculate the sum of the following signed numbers. Plus 10 plus 6 plus 2 plus 18. Let's start solving. Plus 10 plus 6. So we need to put the plus sign first. Then we can add the two positive signed numbers, 10 and 6. So plus 16 is the final answer. Plus 2 plus 18. Again, we need to put the plus sign first, then we can add the two positive signed numbers, plus 2 with plus 18. And the final answer will be equal to plus 20. Addition of two negative signed numbers. To calculate the sum of two negative signed numbers, like minus 15 plus minus 4, we need to put the negative sign first. Then we can add the two numbers, 15 with 4. So we put the negative sign first, then we add the two numbers, 15 with 4, and the final answer will be equal to minus 19. You can use your hand or your calculator if it's allowed. Let's solve this exercise. Calculate the sum of the following signed numbers. Minus 14 plus minus 6, minus 22 plus minus 7. So minus 14 plus minus 6, we have here two negative signed numbers. So we need to put the negative sign first. Then we need to add the two numbers, 14 with 6. And the final answer will be equal to minus 20. Minus 22 plus minus 7. Again, we have two negative signed numbers. So we need to put the negative sign first. Then we need to add the two numbers, 22 with 7. And the final answer will be equal to minus 29. Addition of positive and negative signed numbers. Calculation the sum of positive and negative signed numbers, like minus 19 plus 4. Put the sign of the bigger number, which is minus here, because 19 is bigger than 4. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. So the smaller number here is 4. So we need to subtract 4 from 19. So 19 minus 4 is equal to 15. And the final answer will be equal to minus 15. Let's solve this exercise. Calculate the sum of the following signed numbers. Minus 14 plus 6 and plus 25 plus minus 4. So minus 14 plus 6, we need to put the sign of the bigger number, which is minus, Then we need to subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. So we need to subtract 6 from 14. And the final answer will be equal to minus 8 plus 25 plus minus 4. So we need to put the sign of the biggest or of the bigger number, which is plus sign or the positive sign, because the bigger number here or the biggest number here is 25. So we put plus first, then we subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. So we need to write 25 minus 4, and the final answer will be equal to plus 21. Subtraction of signed numbers. How to subtract two signed numbers, like minus 19 minus 5. We need first to convert the minus sign into positive 1. And to do that, we need to take the opposite of the number after minus. And we know what is the opposite of signed numbers and how we can represent these opposite signed numbers. So we write minus 19 plus the opposite of minus 5, which is plus 5. And we take now the sign, for the bigger number, which is 19. And its sign is minus. So we write minus and we open two brackets. And inside these two brackets, we write plus 19 or 19 minus 5. And the final answer will be equal to minus 14. So let's solve this exercise. Plus 20 minus plus 7. Again, we need to convert the minus sign into positive 1 and to take the opposite of the number after minus. The number comes after minus should be taken as the opposite of its sign. So here we need to write plus 20 as it is, plus the opposite of plus 7, which is minus 7. So plus 20 plus minus 7. And the final answer is plus 13. And now let's learn how we can add positive and negative signed numbers. Like in this example, plus 4 plus minus 7 plus 3 plus minus 2. First, we need to put the same signed numbers near each other. So we need to put plus 4 near to plus 3 and minus 7 near to minus 2. Second step, we need to add the numbers having same signs. So plus 4 plus 3 equal to plus 7, minus 7 plus minus 2 equal to minus 9. Now we add plus 7 with minus 9. And the final answer will be equal to minus 2. Let's solve this application. Plus 5 minus 2 plus minus 1 plus 7 plus minus 1 minus plus 9. So we need to perform a calculation for a series of positive and negative signed numbers. First, let's convert every minus into plus. And to do that, we need to write the opposite of every number comes after negative sign. So plus 5 minus 2, we need to write the opposite of minus 2 because minus 2 comes after minus sign. So plus 5 plus 2 plus minus 1, we keep minus 1 as it is because minus 1 comes after positive sign, plus 7 plus minus 1 and plus minus 9. So we write the opposite of plus 9, which is minus 9. Then we need to put the same signed numbers near each other. So here are the positive signed numbers, and Here are the negative signed numbers. Then we add the numbers having same signs. Plus 5 plus 2, 7, plus 7 equal to plus 14, minus 1 plus minus 1, which is equal to minus 2, and minus 9 equal minus 11. So the final answer is equal to plus, we open two brackets, 14 minus 11, and the final answer is equal to plus 3. Thank you guys for watching, and please try to contact with me if you have any question about this lesson and the previous lessons. Don't forget to solve the evaluation and to send me your answers for the elaboration section. Stay safe and good luck. If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more. And don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.